Ready, dude? Good.
So I can spread out like a spider in the bed.
Hit the road, baby. Baby needs some salmon. Make some money.
Or ahi tuna sounds good.
Oh, I eat tuna.
Mm-hmm.
Do the spider thing again. What was that? Did you say about a spider? What did you say?
I'm gonna spread out like a spider in the bed.
Is that what that?
She said that to me one time, spread out like a spider, and I go, did you say that to your kids? She said, no, just you. Come on, Mr. Director. We all ready?
And 3,
2,
2.
1. Hopefully this is a
5.
fast, whatever. What's up, YouTube? Well, we got the beast together. There's still a few little things we gotta tighten up, and you know, hood and obviously all that stuff, but we're gonna attempt to fire this thing up right now. But before we do, I wanted to take some time to thank all those that have kind of gathered around me and helped me out. Chris, thank you very much.
Brother.
Rael, you've been a big help too. Jill, thank you for putting up with all my shenanigans and my craziness.
Always.
So we all just wanted to say thank you for your support online, and thanks for watching, and let's see what happens. We'll be right back.
It's the only job I have here. That's all I know.
I sleep next to him.
Oh, and I don't. That's the point. I don't have to smell them like you do.
I sleep next to him.
And I don't.
He smells like diesel. Fuel, not diesel the dog.
Not the dog. Okay, we got a thing. 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 3, 2.
All right, YouTube. So first I gotta cycle the key several times to get the feel. We got the peanut gallery back here doing dances and stuff. So I gotta cycle the key so we get some fuel built up, and then we'll get this thing fired up. All right, we'll be right back. We got oil pressure now. So there's a fitting right over here. I shut it off. I want to fix the exhaust on that so we get that done. It's alive. I can't believe it. Can you believe it? Come here, baby.
Ah, yeah, bring it in.
Oh,
I'm so proud of you.
back to making money.
Yay.
That's the money sound, isn't it?
I finally can have my fish.
No fake babies here, huh? We got it together. Yeah. All right. Come on, Chris, bring it in. Bring it in.
Make babies and make money and babies and
I'm not-
fish and shit.
I'm not Frenching
We're gonna
you.
make fish and we'll make fucking French fries. Ah. Hey man,
Ariel.
fucking come on, dude. Good on you. Good.
Right on.
Jill, congratulations.
What do you think,
Love it.
Rael?
That's very good.
Come on up. Step up. That's a good job, huh?
Yeah.
We got it all
Yeah, you
done.
got 20,000 in your pocket now.
No. Yeah, I don't have it.
Hey, don't fall in love if he does. Don't fall in love.
Yeah, don't fall in love.
If you send a truck somewhere, you didn't have that 20,000.
No, yeah,
That's
yeah.
right.
Yeah.
I'd have had more because I'd make more on the road than stinking with this engine.
Yeah, but
All right, I'm gonna
awesome
button up.
to hear that fucking crank up, dude. It was awesome.
I'm gonna button up the
Stop it.
exhaust and then I'm gonna run it for a little bit. So we'll be right back.